Welcome. Question number 9b. This is on linear inequality involving what? Fractions. So let's rewrite the question. We have p on 3 minus p minus 2 on 2 less or equals to p on 4 minus what? 4. First, we need to identify the number of terms that are present here. We have term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4. Then we find the LCM of the denominators and multiply all the 4 places by the LCM. So 3, 2, 4, LCM is going to be what? 12. So using LCM of what? 12. I'm multiplying through. Here I will show the multiplication. So 12 times p on 3, then 12. Here this is binomial term. So put in the bracket p minus 2 divided by 2, then 12 times p on 4, 12 times what? 4. I think this will cancel to give you 4p minus, this will go here, 6, right? P minus 2, this will go here, 3p minus what? 48, I guess. This must be expanded, so 4p minus 6p, negative, positive 12, less or equals to what? 3p minus 48. Here we need to group like terms. Already I have 2p on the left, so bring the third p there, making it 4p minus 6p minus 3p less or equals to negative 48, then negative what? 12. Since this is not negative, it should be a subtraction with a negative value. So I'll be having negative 2 minus 3. That will be negative 5. So negative 5p less or equals to, this is 50, 60 minus what? 60. Remember, we need a p, so we divide both sides by the negative 5, which is the coefficient. So negative 5p divided by negative 5, the sign changes sign because we are dividing by a negative what? Value. If you want to understand why we always change that sign, visit the playlist Linear Equations and Inequality on YouTube. I've explained the reason why that happens. Then if we cancel, p will become greater or equals to what? 12. So the value of p that when replaced here will give you the inequality sign to be satisfied, whereby whatever is here will be less or equals to what is here is going to be what? 12. I believe well understood. Like, share, comment, and come back for question 10.